Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Altitude. And I was doing some scanning through my phone for different things this morning, and what pops up? DJI has announced the end of life for the Phantom 3 and 4. The end of life for the Mavic Pro and Mavic Pro Platinum because of the new platform Mavic 2 Zoom and Pro drones. And let's see, end of life for the Phantom 4. The 5's coming out. In a memo dated on the 30th to retailers, DJI announced the end of life for the Phantom 4 Pro, Pro Plus, Phantom 3 SE, the Osmo, Osmo Plus, Osmo Mobile, Mavic Pro, Mavic Pro Platinum. Even though this version of the memo is in Chinese, we have made able to confirm the existence of the document with retailers in the U.S. Wow. Most interesting part of the document is, in fact, that it also announces the end of the Phantom series. With the Mavic 2 already in place as a successor to the original Mavic Pro. There she is, folks. Obsolete. And really obsolete. And really obsolete. This is the Phantom 3 Professional. At that, this was their this was the king here. Which means if you need parts, you better scab them up. Same with this one. And I bought this a year ago. I've been paying the DJI plan monthly on this thing, and I'm just now. I got one more payment. One more. So then the 2 came out. I haven't even got the goggles. I haven't even opened it yet, and I've had them a year now. Those will be getting those out here soon. I do an evaluation on them, and they'll already be extinct. Let's see. Most interesting part of the document, in fact, announces the end of the Phantom series with the Mavic 2 already in place as a successor, especially the Pro models, possibly cannibalizing the sales for the Phantom 4 Pro. It would seem safe to assume that the successor to the Phantom series cannot be far away. They already had a picture of the Phantom 5 with the interchangeable lenses. That's cool. And from one-off project for the commercial customer. So, good chance we'll be seeing the new Phantom 5 before the end of the year. Ain't that something? Let's see, when we come to the DJIs, let's see what it is. There we are. And this was sent out by This was put out. This was put out by Hey Kestelou. And you can find him at dj.com or at Hey Costello. Hey Costello, okay. Hey Costello. So there you go. The end of the Pro series, going into the Mavic Pro 2 series, and eventually the Phantom 5 series. So there you go. You may have heard it first here. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next Altitude.